So there's a number of ways to create mockup on Canva, but this is one easy, more fun way, more detailed way to get mockups done in Canva. So quickly, on my Canva homepage, I'll go to apps, and from apps, the last option on the next tab is mockups. I'll just wait for network to load this up. Very good. So you'll see the recently used ones. Now, why do I prefer this one? It's better than what you find within the Canva workspace, where you just go to apps while you're working on a document and you see mockups, because this one has more stuff to show, to offer you. Let's take, for instance, we want to do desktops. You're not just seeing one desktop, you're seeing a massive array of desktops in different situations that you can use. And let's just click on one. For instance, let's say this one. To customize it, I'll just select, and that's me looking for an image I can put in there. So I'll just look for an image that I've uploaded before on my Canva files. Let's say I want to use this image, for instance, and I'll click select. I'll wait for Canva to do its thing, and I can come and adjust it. So I can scale this up from the corners, any of the corners, any of the four corners, until I fill the screen with the area I'm interested in showing on the desktop. So let's say I'm fine this way. I'll just say save, and I can always go back there and adjust, move it around. You can see that this affords me a lot of flexibility, unlike when you're working in your work area on a Canva file. So I just adjust it because I think I prefer what I had earlier, and I'm going to save and then save mockup. Save mockup then gives you the option to download it to your system. And the reason why I like working with the ones without backgrounds is because I can then move it into an environment I want and use it in a document. So let's try using it in document. My favorite shortcut, I'll start a new tab and I'll say canva.new. So now, because I know this is already on my system, I'll go straight up to uploads, and from upload I'll upload file. From upload file I'll go to my downloads where I know it is, and this is it here. I'll download that, and it's uploading here already. While it's uploading, I can get it in and wait for this bar to get filled up, but I can still make edits to it. So here it is. I can change the background so you can see there's an actual PNG. I can change the background to any color I deem fit. I can bring in an image there. Set that as my background. I can bring in a tabletop. And I'll just put that here, scale it up to fill the screen area, and I'll send this forward. So it looks like it's sitting on a table. Possibilities are endless, so that's why I like working with that version of mockup rather than the regular one. Say I'm working here now, I'll go to apps, go to mockup, if I come to mockups, if I'm looking for anything that has to do with computers, I'll come here and see all. I'm limited by, yes, this is much really, but I'm still limited by the number compared to what we saw on the other hand earlier. You cannot compare that to this library of images. It's massive and it's still ongoing, you know. So that's why I prefer this way to do my mockups. You can also go back and you'll find that they've been sorted by categories. technology, print, packaging, apparel, home and living. So if you go to home and living, you'll find stuff there. You click on the category, you'll find more stuff there, and it's just beautiful to use Canva this way for mockup. Alright, that will be all from me. If you have any questions or anything you want me to do a tutorial on, please do not hesitate to drop me a comment, drop a like, and please turn on your notification bell for when next I post something new. Until next time, see you and God bless. Bye.